Starting. We're here with Ken. Ken, please tell me where you are and what you do at Microsoft.
Hi, yes, my name is Ken Auguillard. I'm a Principal Program Manager here inside of Power Apps. Specifically, my area of focus is governance and security compliance for the Power Platform. Happy to be here and answer any questions.
Cool. Top three things coming down in especially the Power Apps and focusing on governance security.
We have three things that's kind of hard. So we have a lot actually coming. The first one really big thing I'll actually like to really tell everyone is that I'm sure we have many fans of the COE today. We are bringing inventory in the product. Not only is we're bringing it in the product, but we're bringing it to you with no additional licensing cost whatsoever, all right? None whatsoever. Again, you can use this. We do ask you, of course, to turn on your own telemetry and consent to it, but we are not charging you any additional licensing fees for that. Now, speaking of licensing, hot off the press, we have changed the licensing model for managed environments. No longer are you required to purchase both apps and automate licenses. Now, to be compliant, you must simply purchase either or of them, right? Now, that doesn't change the premium use itself. And what I mean by that is, say I'm using a Power Automate and it has a premium connector inside of it, I'm still required to license that. But I don't have to pay for premium governance if I've already paid for my premium governance via a Power App itself, right? And then the last thing is that Power Platform Admin Center has been completely transformed. You all will know it as the purple Admin Center that we have today. That is gone. We are rolling this out right now. Power Platform Admin Center is now going to be way more opinionated. What we're doing is you'll now have a toggle in the top right-hand corner that will say try new experience. In that new experience, you will see Security Hub, you will see Copilot Hub, you will see Manage Hub, you will see Monitoring Hub, you will see Licensing Hub, and you will now see Deployment Hub. Those names are very intentional, right? Security Hub is security, Copilot is Copilot, Manage is obviously for managing things, Deployment Hub is for your in-product application lifecycle management. Operations Hub is for managing all things operations inside of there. And then we also have, of course, for managing your in-product ALM and so on and so forth, right? So those are my top three things.
Fantastic. You mentioned if you manage with managed environments, if you have a Copilot license or you're doing some Copilot work that's seeded?
That's a great question, yes. So if you are a M365 Copilot customer today that is using embedded Copilots, right? So embedded Copilots that use Copilot Studio, right? Be very clear in this. So that means I've created an agent, I've started using M365 Copilot, and I've wanted to get a little bit more advanced. That takes me into Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio licenses include managed environments. Okay? They include managed environments. That means that now your governance and security and compliance for Copilot is included in that Copilot license. You do not have to buy Power Apps licenses. You do not have to buy Power Automate licenses if you're merely running just Copilot, okay? Now, if you're running apps and Automate, we still require for you to license those things, okay? But Copilot itself, the managed environment license is included, and those features are included inside of that.
And thank you so much. Awesome, thank you.